Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to add the Claude add-in for Word. So before we jump in, there's two things I want to review. First, the Claude add-in for Word is only available for paid plans. So for those that are on free plans, the Claude Word add-in will not work. So you need to pay for either Pro, Max, Team, or an Enterprise plan. Also, the supported versions are Word on the web, Word on Windows, or Word on Mac. So far, this is not supported on iOS. Okay, so let's jump in. I assume you already have Word installed. We'll open up Word, click Add-ins, and type in Claude here. Hit Add, and you'll see really quickly it had said loading add-ins here, and you'll get this little Claude window, and if it's the first time you've signed in, you'll have to hit log in, and it will open up Claude in the browser, which just basically says, hey, Claude would like to connect with Office, and do you authorize that? We'll go ahead and hit authorize. And here we need to copy the sign-in code, so we'll go ahead and copy that. Jump back over to Word, paste that in here, and we are signed in here to Claude. So skip, and it has a bunch of questions, and it is in beta, so just keep that in mind. But at this point, you're all set, and you can begin to use Claude in Word. If you have any questions or run into problems, feel free to post those in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching.